Hello friends, my name is Ashish and I am back with my new videos. Today I will show you that how to increase your followers on your Instagram. The first thing we have to do, we have to open our Instagram app. Then we have to go our profile. By refreshing it, we can see that there are only 148 followers of my profile. The second step we have to do, we have to open the search option. Then we have to search some famous celebrities. It could be anything. I will search for Instagram. Insta Instagram. Here we are. Now we have to do, we first have to following the Instagram, then unfollow. We have to do this thing in a sequence between 5 seconds to 10 seconds. Following, then unfollowing, following, then unfollowing. We have to do up to 10 to 15 minutes. We have to do up to 10 to 15 minutes. Just do it continuously. It takes some time, but it is easy to do. Follow, then unfollow. You can see my followers are increasing. Follow. We have to do continuously. Follow, then unfollow, unfollow, then unfollow, follow, then unfollow, follow, then unfollow. Now you can see uh, my ID is getting new followers. By doing this, you can gain up to 10 followers in 5 minutes, 15 followers. You can see the follower started to following me. Follower. If you want a great result, you have to do up to half an hour by doing following, unfollowing, following, unfollowing. See, new followers are increasing, and my up to 148 is goes up to 152. By doing this, you can surely increase your followers. If you want a great result, you have to do up to half an hour. If you want more followers, then you can do following, unfollowing, following, unfollowing, following. By doing this, now you can see my followers is increasing. Following, you have to do up to half an hour or 45 minutes if you want a great result. Now you can see my followers has increased in 5 minutes. By doing this technique, you can increase your followers. Now and see a new Chessips has following me, started following me. Now it was 152. Now you can see it has up to 153. By 147 we have goes up to 153 followers. Due to this technique, you can see this new people are started following me. You can follow, unfollowing, follow, unfollowing. By this technique, you can increase surely your followers. By doing this, you can see now new followers started following me. As I say, if you want a great result, you have to do up to 45 minutes or up to 1 hour. You can see my followers are increasing by doing this. If you want a great up to 1000, you have to do daily. You can see my followers are increasing and increasing. See, by doing this technique, we can increase our followers. It's a great technique, you can also try. By doing this, you can surely increase your followers. See this, it goes 153 up to 158. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my video.